Is it dangerous to hold in a sneeze? While holding in a sneeze won't cause your head to explode, it can still cause some harm. Sneezing is a powerful reflex, and when you hold it in, the pressure has to go somewhere. You could end up with a fractured nasal cartilage, a burst eardrum, hearing loss, or even a detached retina. The air expelled during a sneeze can travel at 100 miles per hour, and it's better to let it out than risk any internal damage. So next time you feel a sneeze coming, it's best to just let it out. But remember to cover your mouth and nose.